Hello, welcome back to EST Speak Tech. I'm Kelvin. So today I'm gonna show you how you can replace uh, door lock actuator motor. In the previous video, I just show you how you can disassemble. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can replace it. But before start this video, I want to thank you all who subscribe to my channel. I love you all, and for those who didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and like, and you can share too. So uh, let's get started with this video. But before start this video, let me show you what's the problem of uh, the actuator motor. So when I close my car with the remote like this door is not closed. So when you open it, it's open and the alarm trigger here like this. So this is a problem. So the door lock actuator motor is dead. So I got another one, the used one. So I'll show you soon. Stay tuned. All right. So in the previous video, I just show you how you can open until you reach your actuator motor. So now I will just go quick so that I can show you how to replace it. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna start it. Start with this one. So we need to remove this first. Okay. Then this one just pop up a little bit. Okay. And then we have to disconnect this, push it up. After that, take your screwdriver. So take it, you unscrew all the nut. Okay, here we are. And then next thing you have to pop up this. Here we are. Just Good. Easy like that. Yeah, slowly. And then push it. Oh, it's out. Okay, so we just put this somewhere. Okay, let me put here. And then next thing, we have to remove this, and then even here. So in order to do that, you have to remove this nylon. Okay, then it will be easy for you to access everything is inside. Okay, so remove this sponge, then open here. Simple like that. Remove this. So pop up this off, then another one. Okay, so you keep this holder, then you have your screwdriver, then you open here. We have 3 bolts. Wow, it's tight a little bit, so you have to use T-handle like this. Okay, then open it. Easy like that. Then another one, do the same thing. Open it. Open it. Yeah. Use your pen. Okay, so but before remove it, there are some bar that hold this, so it's hold with this nut, so we have to open it. Let's check. I think 10 can open there. Yeah, exactly. So let's open it. Wow, strong. Let me open it. Open it. Come on, man. Yeah. It's so easy. Okay, so just open it, put this down there, remove the bar, one hold it, then you can take your actuator from there, but from this connector here, you have to disconnect first. So in order to disconnect this, you have to pop up from here. Push this. And up. Yeah, easy. After disconnect this, you have also to disconnect this kind of wire that holds this handle. So you just go down a little bit and then just then from there you have to it's out. Okay, so now remove this actuator. So before assemble everything, we have to check if it's working or not. So you have to connect everything now, and then you can try to close. And I can close with my remote. Wow, perfect. So now the problem is solved. I can continue to assemble it. Okay. So to assemble, you just do in the reverse way. So as you can see, the way I disassemble is the way back you can assemble it. So let me remove this first. Okay, so okay, put everything. I forgot this sponge. Okay, put there. Then put this back. Make sure you don't forget anything. Okay, so that's tight. So wherever you have this kind of problem, yeah, you can try to do as I'm doing now. Okay, here we are. So the next step is to put the cover back. You have to make sure it's into this place perfect. So this is our cover. Then put it like this, slowly. Yeah, there. And then the connector is here. Then you push. There are some connectors you have to push a little bit to return to its own original place. Okay, it's good now. So next step, put this, connect with this connector here. Just like that, easy. Then put this back. And then lastly, this component. Here we are. You can close, open. It's great now. Let me close it. Now it's like a new car. Problem solved. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you to the next video. I love you.